A dog is a man's best friend. This is a well proven fact. The four legged furry babies are known to be forever loyal and always have unconditional love. Just Dogs also have a pet spa. So we will ask Sachin, who is the store manager here, to take us through what they have to offer.
Okay, hi. So as of right now, it's not a retail store. We have like a spa and grooming session for the pets. Spa means we think only human beings have spas and all. It's not like we have a pet grooming also for the dogs as well as cat we do grooming. And first comes like if there is a baby, like puppies up to 3 months, we will give them a free dry bath. Until all the 3 vaccination is done, we will give them a free dry bath. And this is a place we will do the grooming part. These are the accessories which we use for the trimmings and all. So you can see we have like ear cleaning, so we do the ear cleaning for the pets and grooming. And this is the shampoo switching for the dry bath. The puppies until all 3 vaccinations done, we will give them a dry bath. And this is a place where them give for the dry bath for the puppies and all. These are dry bath areas we do them. And here comes in the like normal trimming areas where we just put down the dogs over here for the trimming and all. The hair trimming, ear cleaning, nail clippings, everything will be done in.
Today we will cover a very good initiative driven by Koramangala Canine Squad in association with Just Dogs, Victoria Road, Bangalore. This is an adoption drive where the main motto of the team is to provide a forever home for the homeless dogs, provide vaccination, food and shelter for the needy pets, and welcome them as a part of a living community. Now let's have a look on how this event is organized. I have the Koramangala Canine Squad team here. So we have Anusuya who will brief us about this.
As a group, we foster, rescue and get them adopted. That's the main motto of the group, and also the well-being of around and nearby streeties. About this event, we first started discussing how many pups are still not got adopted. I think Jimmy is here, one who got rescued in Koramangala, and we found in the road and we didn't know what to do. That's how it started, that theory of how we can have an adoption camp and figure out if we can, how fast we can find home for these trees. Now in this camp there are 12 pups which are starting from 2.5 months to 1.5 years actually, and hopefully we got 2 of them adopted already, and we are hoping that all of them will get adopted through this camp.
Adopt, don't shop. Every time an animal is adopted, a space opens up in the shelter or the rescue. So when you adopt a cat or a dog, not only are you saving that animal's life, but you're also opening up a space for another animal's life to be saved. While we adopt, it's about giving a second chance to these few souls to find love and comfort. Look at him, this is Jimmy, right? Want to say more about him?
Yeah, so we found him on roads of Koramangala and didn't sure who is the parent, and he had several injuries in his body actually. Now he is fully recovered and ready to get adopted. So I'll just request that please spread the word and find him forever home baby. He is fully healthy now. I mean, he is around 3 years old, male.
So, what is the procedure to get a dog adopted? Do we have to pay any registration fees or anything like that?
No, as per our rules, we are not taking any money. It's fully free of cost. It's just you take them as your family member and you accept them as they are. Their breed, their gender, their looks, everything you accept them, and that's all. As a process-wise, we just make sure that he is going to a good home. We do a background check as how we want to treat the dog. Few questionnaires are there. Once they address them, that's good enough to get them.
It's so heartwarming to see how people come here and walk back with a pet as their forever family member. It's a day well spent, and as the proverb goes, every dog has its day. This was a day for some adorable dogs to meet some amazing humans and walk back to a living home that they truly deserve.